Hello and welcome back to the Tech Talk Shorts. Today I will talk about a massive corporate illusion. Every year, organizations pour billions into digital transformation. In fact, industry analysts note that while global IT spending continues to skyrocket, a staggering number of these initiatives fail to deliver their promised business value. Why? Because many leaders are still treating their IT strategy like a tech shopping list rather than a business enablement roadmap. Let's be clear. Technology for the sake of technology is just an expensive hobby. If your IT strategy is being written in a dark room by techies who don't understand your P&L, you are not building a future. You're building a money pit. This brings us to the first and perhaps most fatal pitfall: expecting IT to build a strategy in a vacuum. How can IT build a bridge to a destination the company hasn't even chosen yet? An effective IT strategy cannot be created in isolation. It is an extension of the business strategy. If the corporate goal is to increase customer retention by 20%, the IT strategy defines the CRM and data analytics needed to make that happen. If the business doesn't define the what and the why, IT cannot effectively deliver the how. The second pitfall is a lack of governance. Because the IT is a cross-functional service that touches every single capillary of a modern business, strategic tech decisions cannot be left handled by the IT alone. There must be an overarching body that oversees the entire business, similar to the ITSC, the IT Steering Committee. I don't mean a monthly meeting where people look at PowerPoint slides and nod off. I'm talking about an empowered, active governing body made up of leaders from all core business functions: finance, operations, HR, sales, and marketing. Best practices from top-performing global firms show that when business functions co-own tech priorities, project success rates skyrocket. The steering committee ensures that IT investments are directly mapped to collective business priorities. It shifts the narrative from what does IT want to buy to what does the business need to win. But let's say you get the strategy right and you build the perfect steering committee. There is still a monster waiting in the weeds to destroy your progress. As the legendary Peter Drucker famously noted, culture eats strategy for breakfast. You can buy the most sophisticated AI tools, cloud infrastructure, and ERP systems on the market. But if your corporate culture is defined by silos, fear of change, and a lack of accountability, your digital transformation will stall. Successful execution depends entirely on your cultural DNA. Innovation, collaboration, and continuous learning cannot just be slogans on your office walls, they have to be lived. If your people aren't empowered or incentivized to adopt new ways of working, your expensive new software is just a digital paperweight. To wrap it all up, stop looking at IT as a cost center or an independent utility company inside your building. Align it with a rock-solid, measurable corporate strategy. Govern it collectively through a cross-functional steering committee. Fuel it with a culture that embraces agility and accountability. Turn your IT strategy into a business roadmap and watch your organization transform strategy into actual measurable outcomes. Thanks for watching this episode. Until next time, stay active, keep learning, and dream big.